Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every one of you are doing well. Today I'm gonna be giving you a 1-year update on the JLT Catch Can for the Mustang Ecoboost. It's been on there for 1 year and yeah, I figured let me show you what I've got out of it so far and give you my impressions of it. I did a video almost exactly 1 year ago to the date of different mods for the car and I gave you my first impressions. I'll take that video right here if you guys want to check it out. It's some of my earlier work, so be kind. But before we get started today, I have to announce that we just surpassed 1,000 subscribers on the channel, and I am excited, guys. This is a big kind of goal for me for 1 year on YouTube to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I couldn't have done it without each and every one of you checking out the content, commenting, sharing, liking, and of course subscribing. So if you guys are one of the subscribers out there, and even if you're not, I appreciate you watching and I can't wait to bring you more content. So that being said, we also have a part 2 to that because if you've watched my previous couple videos, you know we've had a giveaway going on as well. $50 gift card giveaway going on for the last few weeks. It was up until we reached 1,000 subscribers. Now that we've done that, I have closed that giveaway, threw all the names in to a random generator who has, subscribed, liked, commented the Dash gift card, met all the criteria, and got you guys entered. And I have a winner, guys. I have a winner. But before I give you the winner, let's get into the JLT Catch Can, and we'll check that out first. I'm gonna keep you waiting for a minute. And nice sunny day here today. It's in the 40s, so I can't complain at all here in Georgia right now. The last couple days have been kind of chilly, so I'm happy we're back to a little bit warmer weather, at least. Let's pop the hood here and take a little look at the JLT Catch Can. All right, let's pop the hood here and check out the Catch Can. And there it is. Sorry, the engine bay is a little dirty here right now. I haven't really took the time to clean it, so I need to get on that. Anyways, here it is. This is the JLT Catch Can. And like I said, it's been on the car for about a year now at this point in time. And I haven't emptied this in probably 2 months, maybe, give or take, a month and a half. Whenever I did the last oil change is typically when I do that, so I'll have to look back here. I got notes of all that, so don't you guys worry. But let's crack it open real quick and we'll see how much is accumulated in there over the last few months. And I'll show you what I've got as well over the last year, because yes, I did keep it. I think we're getting it. I think it's almost there, yep. Cool, last time I cut my hand doing this on this engine cover. So yeah, make sure you don't crank this thing on there too hard. I didn't think I did either, and she's on there pretty good. And there is the nastiness that we have saved from going back into the engine. Let's take it over the bench and look at how much we've got over the year's time. Pretty crazy. So we are back over to the bench, and I have a water bottle here that I've filled up, or not, I haven't filled it all up over the last year, but I've dumped every single one of these when I do my oil changes and things like that into this water bottle to see how much of this gross crap is would have been going back into the engine, and this is how much I got. All right, so you can see Catch Can right here. This is what we got in there right now. Pretty gross stuff. Nasty little slurry there. And this is all that I've collected over the last like 12 months. So it might not look like a lot. However, I think that's done a pretty good job, because without that Catch Can on the car, all of this would be gone right back into the engine, coating the backside of the valves and contributing to carbon buildup over time. And that's a power robber. You'd have to do some sort of carbon cleaning over time, which it's not catching everything, I'm sure, but it's doing a decent job from what I can tell. Now, there are some other Catch Cans out there on the market that hook up from both the passenger side and the driver's side, which this one hooks up just on that driver's side there. So they might be quite a bit more efficient in, you know, catching more of this and allowing your engine to stay cleaner over time. I don't have any direct experience with that, so I don't want to comment on that. However, for the price point of this JLT kit, I mean, honestly, I think it's well worth the money, and it's a good thing knowing that I'm doing everything I can, at least for the money, to stop this crap going back into the engine. So that's what we got. Let me dump it into the bottle from this time, and we'll go reinstall it and finish up. Yuck. I gotta get some paper towels. Be right back. Better. Got him. Yeah, we gotta clean this thing up a little bit because it tends to kind of drip down the sides, but super easy maintenance. I mean, you just dump it out every couple months. I mean, I was pretty concerned that I'm gonna have to be like dumping this out every few weeks, but that is not the case. So that's what we got so far. Pretty crazy. 1 year of the JLT Catch Can on the car. I think it's worth it. And as simple as we took it off, we're gonna pop it back on. There we go, simple as that. That's all she wrote, man. She's back, and she's gonna continue to filter that contaminant out, so hopefully we can keep as much of that carbon buildup off the back of the valves as possible. All right, and to make this kind of explanation a little bit longer, do I recommend the JLT Catch Can for the Mustang Ecoboost? I think by this point you guys probably know the answer to that, and that is yes. I do recommend it. I think if you don't go with this one, highly consider a Catch Can in general for your Ecoboost. Like I said, I want to keep this thing running as healthy as possible for as long as possible, and I bet you guys do too. So definitely recommend it. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy it, but you can get it all over the place. If you don't like my link, use another one, and I'm sure you'll find it. Now, I've also kept you guys waiting for the giveaway reveal up until this point, so right now I'm gonna give that to you. The winner of the $50 gift card giveaway is WOT, the channel WOT, Wide Open Throttle. I'll put them right here. These are the folks, or the person that has won the giveaway. So congratulations. I'll get in contact with you and get you guys a $50 gift card to wherever you want, as long as I can email it to you. So thanks so much to everyone who entered to win. I'm thinking about doing this giveaway stuff at every kind of bigger milestone. I think that would be kind of cool. So let me know what you guys think down below. As always, I love to hear from you. And if you didn't win this time, that's okay. There's gonna be more giveaways on this channel, especially as we get bigger and bigger. Hopefully it's more than just a $50 gift card once we get a little bigger here on YouTube. So guys, I appreciate you, each and every one of you. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.